Be careful.
Be careful, Zoe.
No.
Woo! Zoe, I'd love for you to not be on the tile. Oh my gosh. What is she going to think? She's going to go down the stairs to the playroom?
You're going to need help going downstairs. Daddy, you're going to need
Zoe, you got to let Dad. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, let Daddy help you. That is an excellent idea. Oh, there's. Whoa! Help her stand up, Daddy.
Ready? Be careful.
Good job, Zoe. You are so silly.
Yeah.
Here, Zoe. You did it. Do you want help up? Help her up, Daddy.
Okay, ready? Okay, ready?
Look at you go, Zoe.
Oh, good job, Zoe.
Woo! There you go, baby. You like those rings, Ellie Jo? You like those rings?